you all missed me over the Thanksgiving break. I missed you all too. I hope you had a wonderful time with your family and enjoyed your week off because I did. Now, guys, we are getting ready for our common assessment. Thank God they pushed it back one more week so we can have a week to review. Now, I have wrote some exciting fictional stories and a poem for you to enjoy. And Miss Williams has written two poems for us to review. Guys, I need your undivided attention and your best effort because if you're successful on these reviewing practice passages, you will do well on the common assessment. Guys, I'm tired of coming behind other people. Please, please, can you help me to be seen by the district in a positive light? I love you all. This week we're going to work on fictional stories, linear plot, non-linear plots such as flashback and foreshadowing. And we're going to deal with figurative language, extended metaphors, dictionary usage, and make inferences. We're ready and we are off to a great start. Welcome back. I love you. Have a marvelous Monday.